They're right in front of us, Sam. Do you want to get in the front under the driver's seat while Dad's away? That was lucky. Yay! Oh, there's the back of it. It's a different colour from the other one. It's number 6. Behind us. Soup.
This is your soup.
This is the soup you always eat.
And you eat not while driving?
No, we're not driving.
We're not moving the car.
So come eat it. Do you want me to come in the... Can you hold it?
Yes.
Or do you want to sit it here?
Sit here.
Okay.
Do you want to come and sit in the
Come
front?
and sit in the front and we'll have lunch.
Eat it here?
And, okay. Sit down. Close the door.
Got another one?
Naughty boy.
Only the striped one.
Restaurant, not squash soup. You're not being a big boy by having to do this, and then you even make a mess. Come on, behave.
It's distracting, Dad. See? It has connects on it. That one. See, I
Jake, you spilt again. What's wrong with you?
You didn't know understand. Into the garbage.
No. Because well, you weren't taking them, so I didn't know if you wanted them or not. These are normal things.
Yeah, that's true.